everyone, this is Nisha
And this is Joy.
this is Joy. And I've been planning to start a vlog.
We have been planning to start.
I have been planning to start a vlog for a very long time. And then I spoke to my brother and he said, okay, let's do it. So today we are in Jaipur. We are in this Priya hotel that I'll give you a tour sometime after. And we are planning to go to Sound today. It's a very nice place with these sand dunes, like proper Jaisalmer desert feeling. The place will give you. So, yeah, and we might also go to Kuldhara on the way. So it's this haunted place, but
if we get time, because we don't
get
have
time.
Because she took a lot of time to get ready.
No, I did not take a lot of time to get ready. My mom is still getting ready the next room. So yes, I'm not the last one to get ready. So yeah, and that's my father. He's planning the whole trip. So thanks to you.
And funding the whole.
Yeah, and funding the whole trip.
So yeah.
So where were we?
Kuldhara. So Kuldhara is like a haunted place where I guess you'll find sisters of
लॉक ले लेना ये देख अभी लॉक कर फटाफट
So we're traveling to Sam and something happened. So last night I tried to clear my phone storage and I thought I did it, but actually there was not enough network to upload it to Google Photos, and finally I figured out that I have zero storage in my phone. So we are gonna figure that out so I can record the rest of the journey and show it to you guys.
Our car is stuck. It's very deserty. So we are figuring it out how to get it out.
I mean, not we are.
Yeah, like my dad and the driver. Say hi to my sister. Say hi to my mom and my dad. I won't ask them to say hi back because they'll obviously yell. Guy. And now finally our car is out and we are going. Thanks, Priya. Bye bye. Into this resort. It's called Springs.
How many times will you tell that? They all know by now. It's called Desert Springs.
But now they can see the board, no? Can you read that? Yeah. It's a very beautiful place. Like I can sense that. I can get that vibe. You can see mandala work. It's very pretty. Say hi, mom. It's a very beautiful mandala they have done over here. And it's a mixture of mandala and Lipton art, I believe. We have got our ride for the day and it's amazing. Yup, a jeep. So the journey has begun. So my dad is scared that we are gonna fall. And we might fall, but it's oh wow. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
See the view. Okay, so they are saying that Border movie was shot here. So that's one interesting fact. And we just did the Jeep Safari. I don't know if you can see that Jeep moving the way it is or not, but that's what we just did and it was amazing, trust me. So this is super fun.
Okay, so now we are going for camel ride. Amazing fact, the name of this camel is Jethalal, not from the Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, but पीछे से कैसे बैठना कैसे ये पहले आगे सीधे बेटा पैर का
अभी बताना
भैया मेरा हाथी सॉरी मेरा ऊँट हिल रहा है This is amazing. This is Jethalal. Where is Jethalal? This is Jethalal. I can't see.
मेरा कुछ ज्यादा ही ऊंचा है
ऊंचे ऊँट की पीठ ऊंची. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So we are gonna go. This is my camel, Jethalal, from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
So I am on Mr. Rocket right now.
Oh shit, ये पेड़ में जा रहा है.
Okay. Okay, so अब भैया भी मेरे पीछे बैठ गए. Hey, I'm filming you. Okay, she's busy making her own video. She's not even listening to me, which is very irritating.
So we are holding on to our lives. Here.
अभी 10-20 का भी लेना है, इसमें ज़्यादा मत लो.
Yes. I don't know. You might be getting the worst angles.
natural roller coaster.
But yes, this is the natural roller coaster. And it is very pretty. And my mom is still scared for her phone.
Bye. अगर 5 मिनट और चला तो आपको ना
Seriously?
पागल हो क्या?
I'm like, मैं सामने बैठी हूँ.
नहीं आप बना रहे थे ना इन्होंने.
So they are saying they have made this for puking. So this is the puking hole.
Now we are back at the resort, and after a few minutes we will head to the sunset point.
And we are again on a camel. And Papa is coming behind us.
Yeah.
Yes, there's Papa.
And this time we are on the same camel.
Yeah, this time we're on the same camel. We have almost missed the sunset. If you see, I think it's very low right now. I don't think if we can make it. Our camel is trying really hard to reach there, but we might miss it. So maybe just have a view from here. We just reached to the sunset point, but unfortunately we missed
and I got
it.
kicked by this camel, Lalu.
Yeah, he was just trying to,
3 times, not once. 3.
he was just trying to shoo away the flies on his leg. That's what he's doing. Is he doing that now? Lalu baby, go again.
What do you mean go again?
See, that's all he's doing. He's freaking out.
Ah, because he's kicking me.
So this is the tent we are staying in. I'm gonna give you a tour of it. And it's very pretty, you know, if you see there are tents all around. And this is the place, what the place looks like. So it's after sunset. So I'm gonna show you. Joy, will you go? Aage. So this is how the tent looks at night. So pretty. My brother is just coming out. So I'll just give you a room tour. I couldn't do it before as the storage space was completely full. So I had to stop it in between. and I just love this sitting area, man. It's so cozy. You can see this. I just love this lamp kind of sitting thing, and there's two sofas over there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'll try. Whatever. Now let's enter the room. And ta-da! Hi, Mama. Hi, Baba. And yeah, so this is the room. This is the roof with a very pretty lamp again. And so the washroom area is back there. I think you can go like this, and yeah. This is where the program is gonna be. There are not a lot of people here because of COVID, but yeah, so it means we can get the seat the seat we want.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
हे पधारो मारे लाल लहरिए वाली मारे जीने घूंघटे वाली वाली रे क्या हुआ टूटी बाजू बंदरी लू
Hi guys, so day 1 is over. We had so much fun, like really. I loved the some sand dunes. मतलब को बहुत मजा आया. It's really interesting. If you are in Jaisalmer, I definitely recommend you to go there and book yourself a nice camp. Stay there. We did not stay there for the night because my father wanted to come back to the hotel. But I really recommend that you stay back at the camp and then the next morning go for the sunrise. It's the place looks so nice. It's complete sand and the camps are so posh. So the place that where we stayed is called Spring Desert.
Desert Spring.
Desert Spring Resort, but there are many resorts over there and there are many services, and along the way you'll find many people, many brokers who will ask you to come to that place, like
They'll follow you.
on the road.
Yeah.
And I'm not even kidding. Maybe tomorrow we are going to the same, like along the same route for Kuldhara. So again, I think we are gonna find more people who are gonna follow us or chase our car to offer their services for this the resort bookings or something like that. If I find, I'm definitely gonna record and show it to you. But I think this day is over, so we are very tired. I'm gonna maybe do some work and then get some nice sleep. Good night. And I think this is where we'll be ending our first vlog. So this day 2 vlog, we are gonna create a separate vlog.
It's a success, guys. Bye.
Yeah. So please like and subscribe if you like this video and share it with your friends. And this is our first vlog and this is the first attempt that we made. So we really like your nice comments or even positive criticism would be great and it would help us to be better.